Flymen articulated shank, 55 millimeters. Build a thread base with your favorite thread. Add another bobbin and advance it to the rear. FlySkinz Helga Bodz. Cut the abdomen from the thorax. Secure the back end of the abdominal section in place. Pull the excess back and wrap the first bobbin several times. Pull the fibers from the core of medium Squishenille, olive brown. Secure in place ahead of the excess Helga bod. Advance the first bobbin to the eye of the shank. Wind the Squishenille forward to the eye. Preen the fibers back as you wrap the Squishenille. Secure the Squishenille in place at the eye, cut excess. Whip finish and remove the first bobbin. Trim the top of the Squishenille to create a flat surface. By the way, please subscribe to my channel. Palmer the second bobbin, forward creating segmentation. Use several snug wraps to create each segment. Secure in place at the eye. Whip finish and remove the second bobbin. Trim the fibers away from the eye if needed. Trim away the stray fibers along the sides of the abdomen. Brush the abdomen to help free any trapped fibers. Coat the top of the abdomen. I am using Solarez Ultra Thin UV Flex Resin. This adds durability and texture. Cure the resin for 10 seconds-ish. Remove the abdomen from the vise. Insert an Ahrex X0774 size 6. Create a thread base using your favorite black thread. I am using 50D gel spun thread. Using crisscross wraps, secure a set of small painted lead eyes. Hit the thread and eyes with a bead of super glue. Double over a strand of OX fluorocarbon through the eye of the abdomen. Secure the 2 strands of fluorocarbon in place. Adjust the loop to your liking. Run the thread forward to the eyes and double fluoro over. Advance the thread to the bend. Cut the excess. Strip the fibers away from the core of large Squishenille, olive brown. Secure the Squishenille in place. Super glue for added durability. Wrap the Squishenille 1 turn, preening the fibers back. Secure the Squishenille in place. Cut the rear wing pad away from the Helga bod thorax. Secure the rear wing pattern. Place ahead of the Squishenille. Add a coat of Solarez Ultra Thin UV Flex resin. Cure. Add a wrap of the Squishenille ahead of the rear wing pad. Cut the excess Squishenille. Prepare the top for the second wing pad. Secure the second wing pad in place. Coat the second wing pad with the ultra-thin resin. Secure the head in place using the tab. Fold the head over the eyes and secure in place. Whip finish. Trim away the bobbin and out-of-place fibers. Finish the head with ultra-thin UV flex resin.